Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying compatibility and making quick updates. Plug the USB cable once to get initial wired CarPlay active. This lets the head unit register your iPhone. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone and set your car's wireless option or dongle into pairing mode. Make sure to note 5 GHz preference if prompted, because many wireless adapters use that band for better audio latency and stability. You now focus on the core connection. Power the wireless adapter or enable the head unit's CarPlay wireless mode, then watch for a flashing LED or prompt. On your iPhone, choose the vehicle under CarPlay and select Wireless, accept Bluetooth pairing requests, and allow the device to join the adapter's Wi-Fi network automatically. If the system asks for a PIN, enter the code shown on the head unit. Once connected, CarPlay will migrate from USB. You finish by verifying functionality. Open Maps, play audio, and say "Hey Siri" to confirm responsiveness. If performance is choppy, make sure the adapter and phone are within close range and away from USB chargers that cause interference. Once done, try rebooting the adapter or toggling iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Repair if needed. If nothing improves, perform a factory reset on the adapter or head unit as a last step, because that clears conflicting cached pairings and restores clean state.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.